exercise Enduring Peace, I wish to inform this gathering that this exercise will be conducted simultaneously in Southeast, South-South, Southwest, and parts of North Central zones of the country. In this regard, exercise Stillwater will be conducted in Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Cross River, Delta, Edo, Lagos, Ogun, and Rivers States, while exercise Golden Dawn will hold in Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Imo States. Similarly, exercise Enduring Peace will be conducted in Kogi, Benue, and Nasarawa State, as well as the Federal Capital Territory. The exercises are part of the Nigerian Army's efforts in aid of civil authority to combat criminal activities associated with the Yuletide season and end-of-the-year activities. The exercises will seek to confront the multifarious security challenges bedeviling the states and create the enabling environment for socio-economic activities to thrive. In line with this, the objective of the exercise is to checkmate and reduce to the barest minimum the prevailing security challenges in the South-South, Southeast, and Southwest political zones, as well as part of North Central zone, including the Federal Capital Territory. Exercise Stillwater is designed to checkmate the incident of piracy, illegal oil bunkering, pipeline vandalism, cultism, and militancy, among others, in South-South and Southwest geopolitical zone. Exercise Golden Dawn, on the other hand, is to checkmate the menace of kidnapping, attacks on government infrastructure and security agencies, assassinations, and threats posed by violent agitators, among others, in the Southeast geopolitical zone. Similarly, exercise Enduring Peace will stem the tide of banditry, kidnapping, farmers-pastoralist conflicts, ethno-religious confrontations, as well as checkmate the influx of migrant terrorists, among other threats, in the North Central geopolitical zone and Federal Capital Territory. The exercises, which could metamorphose into real-time operations, are aimed at building the capacity of Nigerian Army personnel and other agencies through practical exposure to sharpen their skills in combating internal security threats. Drawing from my vision for the Nigerian Army, which is to have a responsive Nigerian Army ready to accomplish assigned mission within a joint environment in defense of Nigeria, the exercise will be conducted in collaboration with sister services, as well as Nigeria Police and other security agencies, including personnel for the defense, Department of State Services, Immigration, Custom, Federal Road Safety, Civil Security and Civil Defense, and NDLEA, and as well as other stakeholders and well-meaning Nigerians that will support the exercise. Now, the Nigerian Army and Nigerian Air Force in particular, and other security agencies and stakeholders mentioned, are expected to play their statutory roles in this exercise. Each service, each agency has its own speciality and skill and competencies which it can bring to the table to enhance the effectiveness of this exercise. It will also involve, the exercise will also involve civil military cooperation activities and equally provide a good avenue to practice inter-agency cooperation with other security agencies and stakeholders. At this juncture, I want to seize this opportunity to appreciate His Excellency the President Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari GCFR, for his unwavering support to the Nigerian Army and strategic guidance toward ensuring our success in our various operations. The Nigerian Army remains totally committed to the defense of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I must reiterate that all troops must remain professional and responsive in discharge of their constitutional roles, as well as other security agencies that are involved in this exercise. We must continue to be loyal and professional to justify the confidence the President reposes in the Nigerian Army and in all of us. I must commend at this juncture all officers and men of the Nigerian Army for their display of courage and gallantry in the face of numerous security challenges facing the nation, such as insurgency in the northeast, banditry in the northwest, and all other forms of criminalities in other parts of the country. We shall continue to provide you with all the equipment and necessary support to combat these threats with a view to ensuring that the criminals are brought to book. I want to also appreciate, particularly here, the Nigerian Air Force, represented here by the Air Officer Commanding, for all the effort and support in this operation and in all our other activities in the division. I must also appreciate all the security agencies